Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Windows 11. Whether you're trying to capture a full screen, a single window, or just a specific part of your screen, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Method 1. The easiest way to take a screenshot is by pressing the print screen key on your keyboard. It's usually labeled PrtScn or PrtSc and is located near the top right corner. When you press Print Screen, it captures the entire screen and copies it to your clipboard. To save the screenshot, just open any app like Paint or Word, press Ctrl+V to paste, and then save it. Want to save a screenshot automatically? Use Windows key plus Print Screen. When you press this combination, your screen will dim for a moment and the screenshot will be saved directly to your Screenshots folder. Method 3 is perfect if you want more control. Open the Snipping Tool, a built-in app in Windows 11. You can search for it in the Start menu. Once it's open, click New, and you can select a rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip. Once you've taken your screenshot, it'll open in the Snipping Tool, where you can edit or save it. This screenshot is automatically saved to your screenshot folder. The Snipping Tool allows you to draw over the screenshot if you want to highlight something. Here's a bonus tip for multitaskers. Use Windows key plus Shift+S. This shortcut opens the Snipping Tool overlay directly, letting you select the exact area you want to screenshot. The snip will be copied to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. And that's it! Now you know how to take screenshots on Windows 11 using a variety of methods. Whether you're capturing your entire screen, a specific window, or just a small area, Windows 11 makes it simple and versatile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy screenshotting!